Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. In today's video, we are going to continue XSS series or cross-site scripting series. Particularly, we'll be looking at SQLiteManager, one of vulnerabilities of older version of SQLiteManager. And to be honest, you cannot find so many walkthroughs about this challenge or about this bug. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now, let's head over to Linux VM to start. So first of all, let me log out and start from scratch so we can input credentials to log in. So next we should choose the module or the bug what we are going to do this video. Yes, SQLiteManager. So SQLiteManager version is vulnerable to cross-site scripting bbox only, and we are giving the CVD number. So what it's about? So actually this site has SQLite available, okay? And this is the version of SQLiteManager. Next, we can use the search sprite to search some sort of vulnerabilities. Okay, so I think we can take a look at like this one and also this one. I've already got a copy of this, so we can cut out this file. So here, SQLiteManager is prone to a cross-site scripting vulnerability because it fails to properly sanitize user-supplied input. An attacker may leverage this issue to execute arbitrary script code in the browser of an unsuspecting user in the context of the affected site. This may allow the attacker to steal cookie-based authentication credentials and to launch other attacks. And the version is vulnerable, and other versions may also be affected. Even we are giving this POC. Let me copy. And we can put in the end. Okay, so now, of course, I think we need to change something different, like documents cookie. Okay, so now we can hit enter. You see, we successfully extract cookie. Of course, attacker can do furthermore. For example, can transfer such cookie from the victim to the attacker's machine. I'm not going to do that. I've already demonstrated this in the other videos. With that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day. Peace.